Hello everyone. The Economic Freedom Fighters Deputy President Floyd Shivambu said that the $580,000 found at Ramaphosa's farm was not declared speaks volumes. Members of Parliament have voted against the Democratic Alliance's motion for the establishment of an ad hoc committee to investigate the burglary at President Cyril Ramaphosa's PhalaPhala farm in February 2020. On Wednesday evening, 204 members of parliament voted against the motion, while 135 voted in favor of the establishment of the ad hoc committee. Arguing in favor of the motion, the Freedom Fighters said the ANC member of parliament should support the motion if they believe in the innocence of their president. The party said there are a lot of unanswered questions. Why don't you want answers? They did this with Nkandla and state capture and protected themselves. The government has lost its moral compass. You don't act in the interest of South Africans but yourself. The ACDP party also argued in favor of the motion. As a matter of principle, it said, it must be noted that we supported the Section 89 panel. Members of Parliament have a constitutional responsibility and mandate to hold the President to account. As a matter of principle, we support the establishment of the committee. The UDM leader Bantu Holomisa said the ad hoc committee should be established to investigate exactly what happened at the PhalaPhala farm. He said allegations of a cover-up have been destructive to the country's image and affected investors' confidence negatively, especially after Ramaphosa promised to a champion of good governance. The situation was further complicated by the involvement of police. It's in the interest of the president and ruling party to establish the ad hoc committee. Unfortunately, the president cannot run away from parliament. UDM supports the establishment of the committee. Vuya Zungula, the leader of ATM, said if you love your president, you will support this motion because it will help him find the thief who broke into his farm. Parliament must assure citizens that it is effective. How will Parliament reprimand departments that fail in the constitutional mandate when it is itself failing to do? If indeed Ramaphosa committed no crime, then this motion must be supported. The NFP said it was against the establishment of ad hoc committee. It said when President Ramaphosa said he wanted to deal with corruption, do you think by removing him, you are not blocking him from doing it? The obsession with ad hoc committees must come to an end. You remove Ramaphosa today, all the corruption investigation will be wiped out. Let law enforcement take its course. The Al-Jamaa said Ramaphosa is not a corrupt person. He has not committed any crime that is impeachable. Al-Jamaa does not support ad hoc committee. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.